Don't you just hate it when after years and years of existing, things just start flapping around? I do too. It's time to get Dora all stuck back together again. There are only a few tools you will need. A razor blade, a plastic razor blade, your choice of Scotch-Brite pads or grinding flaps, and a large eraser wheel. A word of caution. The processes shown here can be hard on the paint. I am in no way claiming to be an expert on bodywork. This is merely one way to do this repair. If your vehicle's paint is super important to you, consult a paint and body technician before attempting this yourself. Start by using the razor blade to cut the remaining sticky stuff away from the tailgate, separating the panel completely. With the panel removed, you can see where the F-150 logo position was. Today's cleaning showdown will be between the tiny plastic razor blade and the mighty thick eraser wheel. Let's get ready to rumble! Straight out of the box, the eraser wheel takes the lead. It's spinning like crazy, cutting through the residue like butter. It's angry! The plastic razor blade takes the tortoise approach, attacking with the diligence in a mean sawing motion. The eraser wheel is just destroying itself to get the job done. I've never seen such dedication. The plastic razor blade is still chopping away. It hasn't given up yet. This is going to be a very close one, folks.
What are you doing?
Editing a video?
That's my job.
I want to edit the video.
I edit the videos, not you.
Sorry everyone, I take my eye off him for 1 second and the world goes absolutely nuts. Let's get back to the normal video. As you can see, the plastic razor blade works in a pinch, but the rubber eraser wheel removes everything in its path. It is a great choice if you're willing to clean up the mess afterwards. Unfortunately, some spots of paint came off while cleaning the tailgate. This is because a prior owner used silicone to do a quick repair. Over time, it bonded to the paint. When the rubber eraser wheel made contact, the paint left as well. A few quick spurts of a color-close paint covers the exposed metal. Over time, exposure to the elements will fade the new paint to match the factory paint. I know this because the bumper pads I painted last spring have faded the same way. With the tailgate all cleaned up, it's time to focus on cleaning the panel. The rubber eraser wheel could have been used here as well, but I chose to go with one of these Scotch-Brite pads. It quickly eats away the old adhesive. Just pay attention to how deep you press the pad, as it can easily start eating into the plastic of the panel. With both surfaces cleaned, install the new 3M tape. Center it on both grooves in the panel, making sure it is firmly attached. Line up the panel onto the tailgate. The edges should line up with the lip below the taillights. Slowly work the tape cover off while pressing firmly to seat the panel to the tailgate. Give everything a final pressing and a look over, then step back and admire your work. Painter's tape could be applied to help hold pressure while everything sets. For the best results, don't let the new tape be exposed to elements for 24 hours. This is Rooster, and that's enough bodywork for me.